Hello, do you need your broilers to grow taller and grow stronger legs to withstand the weight before finisher? This particular feed formula is the best you need to apply. Make use of it and get the best results. Let's go there.
Hello, please let's go to the broiler growers. Remember, I always advise you to make use of broiler growers for your chicken before going to finisher. It is a very good practice. Always do this. In this particular video, I'm going to give you feed formula for broiler grower using only few ingredients as requested on the comment section. Please, if you like this content, this topic, give it a thumb up and make sure you share this video to reach more farmers. Try and share the video. I see a lot of views, only few like. Does it mean you don't like the content, or does it mean you don't like the content creator or the instructor? Give thumb up, just ordinary tapping. It doesn't cost you any data. Please, let's get there. Here we are going to develop broiler growers with only few ingredients. These ingredients can be found in any region, any location, any state, any country. You can see them. Maize, soya bean, fish meal, bone meal, premise, that is both vitamin and mineral premise. Broiler grower. Number one, here we are making use of maize. Number two, we are making use of soya bean, meal. Number three, we are making use of fish meal. Number four, we are making use of meat and bone meal. Number five, we are making use of vitamin and mineral premise and additives, other additives, that is feed boosters. Here we are using 65 kg. That's what we are using here. For soya bean, we are using 20 kg. Then for fish meal, we are using 8 kg. Then from bone and meat meal, we are using 5 kg. Then additives, we are using only 2 kg. All this will give you, this and this will give us, that is 65 plus 20 plus 8 plus 5 plus 2. That's all we have. Let's get the accurate. 65 plus 20 plus 8 plus 5 plus 2. This will give us 100 kg. Now, let's calculate the crude protein of this particular feed. Here, corn is always 9%. Soya bean is always 48%. Fish meal. Here now, instead of using very expensive fish meal, let's use fish dust, which will give us 45%. Now, meat and bone meal is 50%. This one has 0%. Now, multiply this and this. 65 times 9 divided by 100. 20 times 48 divided by 100. 8 times 45 divided by 100. 5 times 50 divided by 100. Here is 0. Now let's get it. 65 times 9 divided by 100. That will give us 5.85. Now 20 times 48. This will give us 9.6. Now we have 8 times 45. This will give us 3.6. Now we have 50 times. That will give us 2.5. Let's add up this to see the result. 5.85 plus 9.6 plus 3.6 plus 2.5. This will give us 21.55. That is 21 CP. This particular feed is good for broiler growers. This feed will help your broilers to get good muscle and strong bones. It will also help them to withstand the weight once you start giving them the layers feed. So this is all we have here. Let's reiterate: maize, soya bean, fish meal, meat and bone meal, vitamin, premix, and additives. All gave us 100. And when you calculate all, you get 21% crude protein, which is good for growers. We are stopping this particular content here. We still need finisher. Once you can get these raw materials in your area, there is no region that doesn't have corn. There's no region that doesn't have soya bean. There's no region that doesn't have fish meal. Even if you don't have fish meal, here we have used fish dust. That is, those people that sell fish in the market, after selling the main fish, those dusts, those leftover, or even crayfish dust, you can make use of it. This will give you up to 45% crude protein. Then additives. If you don't have synthetic additives, you can use garlic, you can use ginger, you can use turmeric, you can use Eden fruit and others as additives. They are organic additives.
Now, after calculating the feed, how do you mix it? Even if you don't have the equipment, you don't have the machineries to do this, you can quietly get a bowl, add the ingredients, corn, add the soya bean, add the fish meal, and mix all of them together and feed to your poultry.
Use it for your feed. We'll stop here. If you want me to develop the finisher using the same ingredient for you, please let me know from the comment section. And the only way you can encourage this particular channel and encourage me to continue doing the good work for you is by liking the video. It's unpleasant if you get over 1,000 views and only 2 like, 3 like, 5 like. Please tap that like. It doesn't cost you anything. That's the only way you can encourage us. And if you appreciate what we are doing, tap the like and drop your comment. Thank you is good enough to encourage someone to continue doing what he's doing. Bye for now till I come your way with another truth very soon. Drop it on the comment section if you want me to do finish it for you. Bye for now.